Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Abdus Salam, Flipgrid Student Boys Ambassadors from Bangladesh. Today I am going to show you how to collaborate with others by using GridPulse in Flipgrid. Okay, this is my old Flipgrid account and I want to go back to my new account. I have signed in my account, and at first you click to your profile, then change your profile uh, picture, upload a photo. I will upload a photo. Okay, just drag up, crop it. Okay, my profile picture already uploaded, and account settings, just check your name, first name, last name, your community. Check your you can add more information here. K-12, elementary, high school, middle school, pre-K, pre-K, etc. As subject, you can choose one subject on and more subject. I want to select more. Okay, agriculture science education. This is my institution name. Time zone, you can select your own time zone here, and select your country, then update profile. All right, then you can add your social information. Just and right here about yourself. I am Abdus Salam, assistant teacher, editor Mohila Alim Madrasa from Bangladesh. I am also Flipgrid Student Boys Ambassador, MI expert, Wakelet community leader, Kahoot Academy verified educators, and ICT for district ambassadors of A2I in Bangladesh. So remember that you should include 256 character only. Grid per location, just active this email icon, and then add your Twitter handle, Facebook username, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Voxer, Skype, LinkedIn, etc. After all, then update profile. Okay, you can also set up your default topic here. Just topic moderation, click this, active this icon, and you can add a video and text comment. You can choose video comment only, text comment only, none, etc. And recording time, you can add a recording time about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I have included 2 minutes. And closed caption, English United States language. You can choose your own language also. Notification daily, and topic notification for others on. And you should remember, you can add you can active all information here. Just allow likes, active this icon, and then update default setting. Okay, then go to your profile pic and click the grid pulse. It's very important to collaborate with others around the world. Looks, it's are hidden. Educators cannot view my profile. When I will active my account, GridPal, so someone can find me easily. Search, there are lots of educators around the world here. All are from Flipgrids educators. So you can search them by using the community, by using the subject. Search GridPulse by using the name also. Okay. I want to active my GridPulse also. Just click the active icon. Okay. Check your information again. Enter your GridPal location, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dhaka, Bangladesh. This is my GridPal location. Next. Okay. Check again your social information. Add your all information here. Then become a GridPal. Wait few seconds. All right. I have active my GridPals, so everyone around the world will find me easily. So this is my name, Abdus Salam. I have already included my details here in the gate pulse, so someone can find me easily. Okay, this is the Bangladesh. I can choose in Dhaka. There are many educators here. This is the Bangladesh. Okay, if I want to collaborate with Nur Aisha Ismail, so I click this icon and send an invite. I want to send an invite. He will get a mail. Send an invite. Send invite. Invitation sent. When he reply me by using the mail, I will get a mail and then I can connect with him easily. Okay, just wait. Okay, I want to invite, send invite in my own ID. How can we collaborate with others? Just click this plus sign. You wait. You have to wait few seconds. Look, this is my another ID. This is the active ID. I am working here. So I want to invite my another ID. You can think that this is the another person. You want to collaborate with him. So send an invite. Click this one. Send an invite. Send invite. Invitation sent. I will. She will get a message email. Just wait. I want to check. Yeah. Look. I've got a message from Flipgrid. Abdus want to be your Git pulse on Flipgrid. Become Git pulse. Abdus want to be your Git pulse to connect. I want to check this mail. Look, this is the mail I have got it from Flipgrid right now. Just wait. So I have got it the mail. This mail I have got it from Flipgrid. Become Git pulse. Abdus Salam want to be your Git pulse to connect. You can email Abdus at this is my email ID. Your email will not be shared until you send a reply. When I reply this email, then the inviter will get another email. So I want to connect with Mr. Abdus Salam. So I will click connect. Just wait. This is my Flipgrid ID. Okay, I will make thanks. I will send a message him. You can type a message. Okay. You can send her an email about yourself and when you want to connect with him about the topics. I have selected 26 July at 3 p.m. I will talk with Mr. Abdul Salam about the topic culture exchange. This is my Skype ID and this is the Microsoft Team link. I can connect with him by in the Skype and I also connect with him by the Microsoft Team meeting link. Thank you and your name also. So I will send a message. Okay, I have sent a message to Mr. Abdul Salam. Send. Okay, message already sent. She will get a message and she will get a notification. And to check, if you want, I can check it. Just wait a couple seconds. Okay, look, Mr. Abdul Salam already sent me an email invitation. I'm really happy. I want to meet with him. I can connect with him. This Skype ID or the Microsoft link. If I want to click the Microsoft link, I will connect with him directly in the Microsoft Team link. So in this way, we can collaborate with others, students and educators around the world by using the Flipgrid. Okay, this is the more important tools for teachers and students. I think you can understand how can you collaborate with others in Flipgrid. So if you want, you can click the Skype icon directly. Okay, when I click the join conversation, I have got the information allow, always allow. open Skype. I can open or join in the web, Skype web, or download the web, or launch the maps. I will use the desktop apps, Skype desktop apps. I can connect with him directly. Okay. So this is the Mr. Abdul Salam's profile. I can call him. I can make a video call. I can click the meet now and communicate with him and with her students easily. So thank you guys. Thanks to join with me. I think you can understand how can you collaborate with others by using the Flipgrid, how to active the gate pulse and other information. So please subscribe my channel and uh, click the bell icon and like this video. I'll be happy for your motivation. Thank you. Thank everybody. Bye.